Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ruisseau-à-Rebours is a small coastal hamlet in the municipality of Rivière-à-Claude in Quebec's Haute-Gaspésie region. It is located on the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula, about 40 kilometers east of Saint-Anne-des-Monts. The houses are spread along the coast, near the mouth of the Ruisseau-a-Rebours, with the Chic-Choc Mountains rising behind the community. The settlement developed during the 19th century, when people gradually established homes along this section of the Gaspé coast. Fishing was one of the main reasons people came here. The Gulf of St. Lawrence provided cod, mackerel, and other fish, while the forests behind the settlement provided timber and opportunities for logging. The early communities were small and closely connected. Families moved between places such as Mont-Louis, Rivière-à-Claude, L'Anse-Pleureuse, and other coastal settlements depending on fishing, farming, forestry, and seasonal opportunities. This movement helped create a network of small communities along the north shore of the Gaspé Peninsula. Forestry eventually became an important part of the local economy. The Ruisseau-à-Rebours Valley extends inland into the Chic-Choc Mountains and is heavily surrounded by forest. Logging, transportation, construction, and other forest-related work have provided employment for people in the wider Rivière-à-Claude area. Today, people in the municipality work in a mixture of industries. Fishing and forestry remain part of the regional economy, while other employment includes construction, tourism, and seasonal work. Because the local population is so small, residents also depend on larger communities such as Saint-Anne-des-Monts for many services, shopping, and employment opportunities. Tourism is becoming more important in the wider area. Visitors come to this part of Haute-Gaspésie for the coastline, mountain scenery, fishing, hiking, and access to the Chic-Choc Mountains. A local attraction is the Pierre Drapeau Lookout, which provides views over the coast and surrounding landscape. The municipality also has a public wharf and picnic area. Today, Ruisseau-à-Rebours is a small coastal hamlet with a population measured in only a handful of households. Its history is closely tied to fishing, forestry, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the mountains immediately behind it. watching!